Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys have already read from the title, today's video is going to be on how to make your very own Gimp pens. In this video, I will be showing you guys step by step on how to make your very own Gimp pen. To start off, the first thing you're going to need is, of course, a pen. So for that, I'll have to open up the pen and take out the inside part. And once that has been taken out, the next step is to, of course, grab two plastic strings, two different colors. Once you've chosen the two plastic strings, next make sure that you align both the strings together and they're folded so that you know exactly where the middle part is for you to start making your gimp. Now if you guys already know how to make gimp, you guys just basically start off how you would make a gimp first. Now I'm going to take the pink string and make nice two loops from both length sides of the pink string. Next, I'll grab the blue string and put it through the opposite loop. And for the other length, I'll do exactly the same thing by putting it through the opposite length. Both the strings have gone through. Next is just to tighten it up. I'm just gonna tighten a little bit of it up, not too much, because I have to put the pen through it. So I'll show you guys what I mean. It should basically start looking like this. You guys can see the pattern now. It should start looking like this, guys. And here's the finished look. Well, almost finished. But you guys get it, right? Like, that's basically how I've made the gimp. And next step is I'm just going to be cutting off the excessive strings. And I'm going to be putting through some nice, pretty beads. I'm just trying to make it look nice and pretty, a little fancy, you know. And here is the finished look. I had actually made another Gimp pen, but it wasn't complete, so I'm just going to be adding in some beads. Now this was also another extra Gimp pen that I had made, which was also incomplete, and basically what I did was I had ended up wrapping the excessive strings and just ended up taping it up like this. And there you have it, you guys, your very own Gimp pen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you guys do attempt to make this DIY, don't forget to tag me. I actually want to see how creative you guys went with making these Gimp pens. Also, I don't know if these really exist, but if they do, comment down below, let me know. Because if not, then I think I just created something new. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for lots more fun videos. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. And I will see you guys very soon. Take care, guys.